What do I agree on then?
I don't know what is coming like for you.
I just called to inform my members of my constituency that I lost my wife.
And it appears there's been a lot of misrepresentation on the social media.
Yes.
Please give us an insight to some of the issues.
The first insight is that you are seeing me live. I'm not disabled in any shape or form. I did mention somewhere that our social media is beginning to debase the concept of social media. Social media was supposed to be disseminating facts in a hurry, but not collect. If you have a dispute with somebody, he can manipulate something and say that you are caught shoplifting in South Africa, in Johannesburg, when you have not even gone there at all. You have no visa or you have no reason to be in South Africa. So our social media is selling itself as if care is not taken, people will not take it seriously anymore. So the people will say, they are telling lies. Of course, there's no lie in it. I mean, if you tell lies, it becomes obvious. And the worst lie is the one you tell yourselves, which people can find out easily. I'm the same Nnamani they're talking about. I'm here, by God's grace. And as I said elsewhere, any person who has had the opportunity of seeing my wife will know that she doesn't require any amendment anymore, that she's enjoying she enjoyed what is called natural endowment. She was well created, a paragon. So why does she went to remove a lipoma or something. It got complicated with a diabetic problem. That's all. She gave up. Well, surgery was successful, but after surgery complication arising from diabetic pains and so on, she couldn't make it. Then people are writing whatever they like. She did not die for everybody. She died her own. When every person's time comes, the person will go, whether he or she, big or small.